Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you this March 2019 Lightning Silver Vantage. So this is a stunning one-owner car that we supplied from you. Now the condition is beautiful, and that's because it's done less than 900 miles, so it's done about 835 miles in total. It hasn't been used a great deal, and naturally the condition is reflected. So the specification is wonderful. First of all, this lightning silver is a beautiful colour. It really shows up all the contours. In some lights it's slightly pearlescent, so in some lights it looks almost white, and in others you can see a blue tinge to it, and perhaps you can pick that up as I scan around the car. And complemented with the silver is a lot of black detailing. So we've got black inserts on the wheels and black down the bottom of the sill, and then also the window surrounds as well, and that extends to the front. If we come round, I'll just pan round. With the dark grille, it's a really cohesive look, and it's somewhat reminiscent of the DB10 in the James Bond movie Spectre. So yeah, I love this spec. So we pan round to the passenger side. Again, everything is in beautiful condition. So this car will enjoy the remainder of a 3-year warranty from date of registration, and it also has 5 years servicing from date of registration, which is a nice feature to have. Let's have a look inside. So we have Obsidian black leather with blue stitching and detailing. You can probably pick up there the blue wings on the headrests, and these are the Sports Plus seats, which have just that bit more padding. They're a bit more figure hugging, hold you in place really well, and that blue stitching goes over the dashboard there as well. You can pick up all of the details around the cabin and the doors. It's a really lovely feel. And then panning up, we've got black Alcantara for the headlining, full electric seats with memory, and then the central glass switches. I'm just going to jump in the car and we can take a little closer look. Glass switches down here, and it has a full parking camera system. So if I were to pop it in reverse, you've got a bird's eye view on the camera as you park up. So this allows you to see all corners of the car, front and rear, round the side. So whether it be lining yourself up with some parking lines or indeed parking near to the curb, it's just great for manoeuvring the car. Then centrally we've got this touchpad for inputting address details, or again you can use the rotary control, and full infotainment system. A lovely cabin. Now, whilst we've got the car started, let's have a look at the rear. So this is fitted with the quad Aston Martin sports exhaust. This is just in standard mode now, but it can be changed in its mode so that it becomes even more vocal, but makes a wonderful sound. And then if I pop the boot, we lift that up, decent sized boot space, really good for a trip away, and that can be extended by dropping this centre compartment. And then with the front seats, there's actually a bit of room to put luggage just behind them. So there we have it, an incredible condition, super low mileage Aston Martin Vantage, available and can be reserved at www.hwmastonmartin.co.uk. Thank you for watching.